Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jenna and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be attempting my second macrame project. It's a project that I purchased from Temu and it's a macrame keychain. Here's the package. This is what I'm going to be attempting. I looked it up. So the knots that I have to do are half knots that I need to do over and over again, and there will be two colors. I will be attempting this. You want to know if I could actually make this keychain? Just keep on watching and you'll find out. I opened up the package and what we got is we got a keyring, some cord, and this thing. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is for. I looked at the instructions and it does not say what it is. There's no mention of this thing. If anybody knows what this is all about, please let me know in the comment section. I'm really interested to know what this is all about. It has nothing to do with macrame. Let me know. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these to size and then we will start. Now I did bring out a measuring tape, some pins, scissors, and my little macrame book or macrame notch just in case I need it, and also a cork board. Now this board is not the best to use. I did order myself a real macrame board, but I'm using this until I get my other board. So now let's cut this. My cords have been cut. The first thing I need to do is I need to do the lark's head, and I need to fold the cord at 50 centimeters, which is 19.70 inches. Measuring tape, and I'm going to go 19.7 inch. 19.7. Well, it's not exact, so I'm not gonna worry about it. Hold this right like this, and we're going to do a lark's knot. I think I need the longest part like this on the end side, or I would say on the left side. Because the longest part will be my working cord. Like this. Now I do the same with this one. $19.7 approximately. And the short in the middle, and the long on the outer side. Yep. It's still a little bit awkward for me because I'm only starting, but I'm getting there. Okay, so my knots are done. I'm just going to double check the length. It's not quite exactly, but it's close enough. My short cords are in the middle. I'm going to pin this. Like I said, this is not, I really don't like this. It's not the best. Put this away, and we're going to take a look at this. It does show you step by step. Long cord on each side, the shortest cord on the middle. And this is where I'm going to start with the, what's it called? Half knots. So let's do it. So I take this. It's long. I'm not sure if I'm going to do this correctly. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so this goes like this. I grab this one, I go over and then under everything. And then this creates my knot. So let me just see if I can maybe pin this cord. So I just pinned the middle cord just so that it's a little bit more stable. And I should leave like a 2 centimeter, about an inch. Let's do about an inch, just to make sure that I have enough space to tie. Let's see if I do this. I'm pretty much at the right place. So, and then, oops, I'm just going to tighten this up and then repeat one more time. Like this. Go over and then under everything. And then we tie it. Like so. Not too bad. Now, so I've got 2 knots done, same side. I noticed that all the knots are done the same side. I guess this is what creates the rope turning like this, or the cord turning. Oh, now I need to add the color. Okay, fold it in half. Okay, so this is folded in half like this. So this is my half part. I think I'm going to pin this right there. I find this to be like, the cords are long, so it's a little bit hard to work with. There we go. And then I do the same thing. So I go over. This one goes over, under. And then I tie. Like this. So basically what I have to do is I half knot with the white one, then the yellow one, then the white one, and that is how I do it. Oops. So again, let's go across like this. This one goes over and then under and into that hole. And again, it's okay, perfect. I think I'm doing good. Let's take a look. Is that okay? Let me know if it's not okay. Now let's do the yellow one. Over, over, under, like this. I think that's how you do it, right? I think I just made a little tiny mistake. Wait a minute. Let me just try to figure this one out. If I do this. Nope, 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 nope. I think that I need to stay, let's see. Like this. Right? This makes better sense. Like this. This. Over, under. I'm pretty sure there's a trick for doing this a little bit better. But right now, I'm just starting. It's my second. Okay, now the white one. Oh, I think it's starting. Okay, so this stays like this, and then I do the yellow. This is going to be so pretty. I just need to keep my tension the same. it's like anything else. Like when you crochet, you have to keep your tension the exact same. And it's the same thing with knots, I believe. Oops. Where's the end? Oh, that one. Okay. that one was a fail. Let's try that again. Over. Let's see. Over, under. Yeah, pretty. Now my cat wants something. You'll have to wait. Oh, it's starting to turn. See how it's starting to turn? No, it is turning. Let's see. Let's do one more like this. And I guess we'll have to turn our cord. That would make sense, right? Yes, okay, so I'm just going to undo the bottom. Remove these two. And I guess we'll have to turn it this way. Oh, this is so long. Okay, and I'm going to tie this here so that it keeps, because I don't know really if that's what people do. Let me know what you do with your metal cords. If you tie them this way so it stays fixed, or what do you do? So let's go with the yellow one. And then the white one. So I'm going to be continuing down this path, and then once I'm almost at the end, we will see how this turned out. If I was successful or not, if I had any kind of difficulties before I complete the ending. I'm just going to continue this. I have this done till the end. Well, you needed to do 30 centimeters of it. And I did. It's a little bit more than 30 centimeters. So what did I think of this? Well, basically it was, after a while it kept on repeating the same knot. So I got used to it. But definitely to start off, when I started it, I did have some issues. So now let's do the next part. The next part, we remove these. We don't need them anymore. Okay, and then grab this, and this, all of this goes into the ring like this. Oh, it has to be same height, I guess, like this. Does that make sense? I guess. Okay, we need our next cord. And we need to wrap this around. Let's see, what's it called? It's called a gathering knot. We need to do a gathering knot. Okay, let's see if I can do this. This. Now I take this. And the way that I saw this. I need to do... Is this too big? Like something like this? That's too big. Like this. And I just turn... Now, let me know in the comment section if there's something I'm not doing right, or if there's a technique I should be learning as I do this. Oop. So this goes into here, and then I pull on this. Like this. That looks not too bad. I think that's it. I think that makes sense, right? And then I just cut these. I'm going to cut this. Let's get this a little bit tighter maybe. Okay, looks like it's going to stay, so I cut this as close as I can. And this part too. And let's tuck this in. And we're going to tuck in this part as well. Now these I also need to cut. Okay, and then I just push those in. And this is my keychain, or my wrist. I can actually do like this, place the keys on here, and voila. So what do you think? This is my second macrame project. Let me know how you think about this. I think I did pretty good. I think it's beautiful. I'm really proud of myself. Yep, I like this. I like this very much. So I do have some other projects that I want to try. I'm going to try this on video and see how they turn out. But don't forget, let me know what I needed to do with this. What is this all about? And if you have any suggestions, let me know. I do know that I don't like to use this cork board. I'm getting a macrame board. I should be getting this within a few weeks. But yeah, just leave a comment. What is this? And have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.